what's up, guys? It is like a parade of cars down here right now. Like, so many people just showed up. There's some cool cars out here. Hopefully something fast showed up that wants to race. I don't know. Everybody I talked to so far said they didn't want to run me, so let's see what we can get into.
Somebody's need for speed. I can put our wings in the wind faster than you could ever believe. Why you ready to run? For the start. We are on a crash course of freedom that's running on as long as we.
What'd you think, man?
Oh man, that was nice.
You gonna get a Trackhawk now?
Yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Sit back and turn it on, here we go. Calling all my friends for us. Revving up the engine.
All right, so it's like an amusement park out here. I got people offering to pay me 20 bucks to ride my car. I'm gonna move a car seat. I told him the price of admission is he has to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Then he can take a ride. We're gonna race this BMW we raced the other night. All right, dude, last time we raced, I didn't have anybody in the car, so I got excuses.
I'm not on your team right now, so trash. Holy shit! Uh-oh. Do you want to rent us out for a few days?
We're going, you.
We are on a crash course of freedom. We can go as long as we
Wasn't expecting that.
Good run, man. Yeah. All right, from here to the white challenge. Come on, man, what about them? That's excuses. You gonna race these two guys? All right, to the end of the white challenger. He's gonna be on foot. They're racing to the end of the white challenger. DaeDae with the win!
And I was on straight line. I told him on him. Talk to me nice. And don't talk to me at all. Like, follow, subscribe to my boy right here.
Yeah.
Trackhawk family. Fast World Problems. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. We're doing shout outs.
Yeah, my dude.